Has your Bahrain eVisa been rejected? Don't panic. In most cases, you are allowed to apply again, but only after correcting the reason for rejection. First, check the rejection email carefully. It usually explains why the application was refused. This could be due to incorrect personal details, missing documents, expired passport validity, unclear uploads, or previous visa issues. Before reapplying, make sure all details are accurate. Your name and passport number must exactly match your passport. Your passport should be valid for at least 6 months from your intended arrival date. Next, review your supporting documents. Upload a clear copy of your passport bio page. Provide a confirmed return or onward travel ticket. Add hotel booking details or valid accommodation proof. Ensure all documents are clear, readable, and up to date. Once everything is corrected, submit a new Bahrain eVisa application. Upload the revised documents and complete the payment again. If you need the visa urgently, you may choose the Super Rush option, which can process applications within 4 to 6 working days, provided all documents are correct. Correct the mistake, reapply carefully, and you can still travel to Bahrain.